How to remove suggested on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove suggested on Messenger. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to remove suggested on Messenger, go ahead and first of all launch the Messenger application like this. Then when you've done that, tap on this little search bar and you will see a list of suggested people. Let me tell you right away, you cannot remove the suggested tab itself, but you can choose to remove some of the contacts and choose to not show them up on the suggested tab. To do that, tap the menu icon from the bottom right, then tap the settings from the very top. Over here you'll find various options. Go to privacy and safety and tap on it. Then there you can say hidden contacts. It says hide people from your suggested contacts. So tap on this little option. I have not hid any contacts for now, but if you want to hide some specific people from your suggested tab, tap on the search or the plus icon from the top right, then select the person that you want to hide from your suggested tab, which will successfully hide them from your suggested lists on Messenger. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.